Airbus A330. That's it.
I wish I could learn how you know. How you know.
What is that coming in?
An A330. It's a Delta Airlines Airbus A330.
How do you know right now that plane coming in is?
That's what I don't know. I don't understand.
If you look at it up close, you'll recognize it. You know, if you know what the A330 looks like, you'll look at this and you're like, okay, it has the landing gear. It has the same landing gear as the A330, same cockpit as the A330, and eventually, you're like, oh, it is the 330. Annoying. Oh, here's an Air France 7 vaccine. I wonder what plane's taking off. Looks like a 321. Airbus 321 for American. What? I'm watching Willy Wonka being iconic for 6 minutes.